Guys, guess what? I am making wow. You will figure it out very soon. First of all, we'll make all the part of the house and cut them out. Then we will stick all the part one by one properly, so they don't come off. Now, we will attach the top part as well and cuties well square. All the edges with tape, so the holes won't be visible, just like I am doing right now. We will cover all the edges the same way I could properly shoot that part. Then guys, we will take a store. You can use any store and stick it at the bottom. After that, we will take white color and painting on house, then cut a black circle for the hole and stick it on. Enter. Our cute miniature house is ready. If you like the video, then please comment and share, subscribe.